Moving on to our next story now. Have you ever invested in bitcoins? If you have, then this story is for you. India is debating new rules for cryptocurrencies. It isn't the only country considering laws for cryptos. Meanwhile, around the world, central banks are mulling their options. But the Bank of England has issued a dire warning. One of its governors believes that bitcoins could become worthless and investors should be prepared to lose their money. Should you be worried? Our next report tells you more.
Crypto is the raging fad in finance these days. Anyone who wants to invest in digital currencies wants to buy this one, Bitcoin. It is an exclusive club of sorts. Only 21 million of them are up for grabs. For now, 19 million is in circulation. One Bitcoin is worth well over $45,000. Bitcoin's total market value stands at more than $1 trillion. What if all these Bitcoins become suddenly worthless? Many would doubt if that's even possible now, but they should pay heed to this warning. It comes from the Bank of England, the central bank of the United Kingdom. Its Deputy Governor, Sir John Cunliffe, says that Bitcoin can drop to zero since it's a volatile currency. And investors should be prepared to lose everything. The Bank of England has a legitimate concern. It questions if Bitcoins have any inherent value or not. Those concerns exist for most cryptocurrencies. None of them have any intrinsic value. They are not backed by any underlying asset, but cryptocurrencies are too big to ignore as of now. Crypto assets across the world are now worth $2.6 trillion. They represent about 1% of global financial assets. More than 100 million people across the world use cryptocurrencies, and these numbers are only growing by the day. That's why central bankers are paying more attention to cryptos. The Bank of England has been lobbying for more regulation. It believes it cannot leave millions of investors unprotected. American banking regulators have announced their own plans. They plan to bring in a new policy next year. If implemented, American banks will have to seek permission before offering digital currency products. Europe has its own plans to regulate crypto. Can countries work together with different rule books on crypto? That's the next challenge. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized. They are not issued by a central bank. They are not controlled by a single entity. Last month, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted the need for a global rulebook.
Cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, for example, it is important that all democratic nations work together on this and ensure it does not end up in wrong hands, which can spoil our youth.
India is drafting its own rules for cryptocurrencies. Considering the global debate, India too needs to figure out what cryptos are actually worth. It is believed 15 to 20 million crypto users are from India. Their investments could be worth $10 billion. Such large investments cannot go unregulated. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.